Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hoop Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be talking about the best penny stocks to buy right now on Robinhood. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the video, but before we do that, I'm going to kindly ask you guys to leave an early like on the video. Turn that thumbs up button to blue. Helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so here we are on Robinhood. Before we get into the penny stock plays, I want to go over with you guys this put option play that I actually bought on PLBY stock. So ticker symbol is PLBY, and I did some due diligence on this stock. I realized that this stock being up about 330% in the past 3 months is just way too much. And whenever a stock is up this much, you should be concerned as a shareholder, as an investor. So I took a look at PLBY. I did some research. I realized that most of their run was due to a spike in speculation because of their NFTs that they are releasing. And I don't know. I don't think that justifies a 340% increase on their price. So I went ahead and bought a put option. As you can see here, it was a $30 strike price put option with an expiration date of 1/21/22. I got one contract. The break-even price is 24. I plan to sell it way before PLBY even gets to that 24 price range. I plan to sell it around $30 in price range because that's when the extrinsic value of the option is worth the most. So that's when I plan to sell the option. And if you guys want to see more option videos or more short option plays, let me know. Leave it down in the comment section down below. So the first penny stock to buy right now is Greenlane Holdings. Guys, I've made plenty of videos on this stock. If you want to see a full analysis, go click that link above right now. You'll see a full analysis on this stock. I am really bullish on this stock. As you can see, I have $960 worth of this stock at a cost basis of $5.20. So I'm currently down on this stock, but I've done a good analysis on this stock and I am very confident that it will be increasing in the future. The next stock I have here is ADMA Biologics, ticker symbol ADMA. Guys, this stock also has analyst predictions of being $7 to $8 a share. Multiple different analysts agree on it as long as they come through with their technology. Obviously, this stock is risky. Any penny stock is risky for the most part, given that many penny stocks don't actually have a functioning product and their business is not currently profitable. So always be careful when investing in penny stocks. The next stock I have for you guys is Invesco Mortgage Capital. Now this stock will be a bit less risky, but we want to zoom out to the 5-year chart to take a look at this huge price drop off as soon as COVID hit. This is a commercial real estate mortgage-backed security fund, and commercial real estate took a huge hit as soon as COVID hit. So right now it is on recovery mode. They also decreased their dividend, which also made shareholders panic a little bit, so that's why they sold off. But anyways, it has been doing decently in the past year and has recovered a bit, and as long as things start to reopen, this could be a good stock to have. The rest of the stocks on this list I do not personally own and I have not done a full analysis on, so definitely be extra careful and do your own due diligence before looking at these stocks, or else it could cost you. That being said, the next stock that we are looking at today is Zomedica, which is at currently $1.10 a share. It is up about 16% on the day. If we scroll down, they are a veterinary health company which engages in discovery, development, and commercialization of pharmaceuticals for the companion pet. This stock is a very popular stock amongst retail investors. I have seen many Reddit posts on this stock and many people are bullish on this stock. I've not done an analysis on this stock, but I'm showing you guys what you want to see, and Zomedica is definitely a stock that has momentum and you could make good money on. The next stock I have on this list is Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX. Guys, this stock is also up on today. Likewise, with every other stock that I have been talking about, everything is up on today. Today is a great day for penny stocks, so that might be why you guys are looking at this video. And if you guys would like to purchase any one of these stocks and you like free money, use the link below to sign up for PLBY. public, you get up to $50 in free stock with no deposit required. All you have to do is link your bank account. They're much better than Robinhood. They have the same beautiful user interface and they do no payment for order flow. So overall, a better platform if you want to hold your long-term investments on. Use the link below to sign up today. Anyways, Ideanomics is a global company focused on facilitating the adoption of commercial electric vehicles and the next generation financial services and fintech products. So it seems like they try to do it all, and this is another stock that retail investors love. I've gotten several comments to review Ideanomics and I have not yet gotten to it, so I apologize. Now, this company is talking about EV batteries, electricity, as well as fintech solutions powered by artificial intelligence and blockchain. So it looks like this company is throwing out a lot of buzzwords in their product description. So I would definitely be careful when investing in this stock. Who knows if they'll actually be able to produce all of these products, and it might be very hard since they're all coming technologies and they have immense competition. But anyways, this is a stock that you guys probably want to see, so I had to put it on the list. The next stock is Bionano Genomics. It's not quite a penny stock, but it used to be a penny stock, sitting at only 51 cents. It has only gained retail investment with the speculation that ARK Invest would be investing in this stock, so it has gone out of penny stock range and it is up 17% on the day, which is pretty crazy. Personally, I am not too bullish on this stock because of its high price to sales ratio, and I believe that if ARK Invest wanted it, they'd have it already. However, retail investors seem to disagree with me, and that's why I have to include it. The next stock we have here is Nano Dimension, sitting at $8.15 a share. It is also up about 9% on the day. This is another stock that I personally do not invest in because it has over a 600 price to sales ratio, but they are approaching their net asset value in cash, although the price of the stock could go below net asset value given that it is not a SPAC. You can't redeem your shares for cash once it is a publicly traded company, so be careful with this stock. Like I've said before, I think it's worth around $6 a share. It's at about $8.15. Nano Dimension is a 3D electronic printing company and they produce printed circuit boards through their Dragonfly Pro system. The next stock we have on the list is SOS Limited. Guys, this stock is just below the penny stock range at $4.68. It's up about 8% on the day. SOS is a holding company which provides marketing data, technology solutions, and emergency rescue services in China. They focus on the research and development of big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. Now, I am aware that this stock has a very heavy short float, so if you guys want to play a short squeeze, not a financial recommendation, but if you do, this could be a good stock to play. However, I don't know. This is another penny stock that is throwing out buzzwords like blockchain, data, cloud. Anyways, I don't know how I feel about this stock, and the fact that it's shorted very heavily doesn't make it the best candidate for a long-term hold. And the last stock that I have on the list, up about 12.6% on the day, is Senseonics, ticker symbol SENS. Senseonics is a biotechnology company that has created a continuous glucose monitoring system. Senseonics is also a stock that I have done a full analysis on, so click the link above to see that video. So that's going to be it for the video for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Keep in mind, the only two stocks that I am invested in this video are Greenlane Holdings and ADMA Biologics. The other stocks are popular retail stocks that I personally think are not at the price point that I want to get in on them. It doesn't mean anything about the company. I just don't think it's a great price for the company. A lot of people do disagree with me though, so I did include them in the video because they are the most popular penny stocks, so I wanted to include them for you guys so you could see what other people are buying right now. Anyways, that's going to be about it for the video. Remember, penny stocks are extremely risky and many penny stocks do end up going bankrupt or go to zero in the future, so always be careful when investing in penny stocks. It's not like investing in Apple or even Tesla for that matter. these stocks have yet to prove themselves for the most part, and if they don't ever prove themselves, then they will fail. So definitely be careful when investing in penny stocks. That's all I got for the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, if you use the link below, you can sign up for Public and get basically free money. Remember to like the video. It's the #1 thing you can do to help me out here on YouTube, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this in the future. Anyways, I'm going to sign off now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.